Yesterday, James Watson died at age 97 in a hospice on Long Island. In 1953, when he was just 24 years old, Watson and Crick published a single-page paper in Nature describing the double-helix structure of DNA, the twisted ladder that carries the genetic blueprint for every living organism on Earth. That discovery won them the Nobel Prize and set in motion the entire field of molecular biology. The breakthrough happened at Cambridge University when Watson and Crick realized DNA consists of two strands coiling around each other like a twisted staircase, with chemical bases forming the rungs. That structure immediately explained how hereditary information is stored and how cells duplicate their DNA. The two strands unzip, and each serves as a template for building a new partner strand. The discovery opened the door to genetic engineering, gene therapy, DNA forensics, ancestry testing, and eventually mapping the entire human genome. Watson, Crick, and Maurice Wilkins shared the 1962 Nobel Prize. Missing from that award was Rosalind Franklin, the British chemist whose X-ray crystallography images, particularly photo 51, provided crucial experimental evidence that DNA had a helical structure. Franklin died of ovarian cancer in 1958, age 37, 4 years before the Nobel was awarded. The prize is never given posthumously. Watson's 1968 memoir portrayed Franklin dismissively, calling her Rosie, a nickname she never used, and describing her as difficult while minimizing her scientific contributions. She couldn't respond. She'd been dead for a decade when the book was published. Watson spent decades as director of Cold Spring Harbor Laboratory, transforming it into a world-class institution, and served as the first director of the Human Genome Project. But his later years were defined by controversy that overshadowed his scientific achievements. In 2007, he told London's Sunday Times he was inherently gloomy about Africa's prospects because testing showed black people had lower intelligence than white people. The comments sparked international condemnation. Watson apologized and was suspended from Cold Spring Harbor, retiring a week later. In a 2019 documentary, when asked if his views had changed, Watson said no, not at all. The laboratory stripped him of his remaining honorary titles. Cold Spring Harbor released a statement calling Watson's 1953 discovery a pivotal moment in the life sciences. Francis Crick, who died in 2004, once said that he and Watson had discovered the secret of life. By any measure, they fundamentally changed humanity's understanding of heredity and evolution, even as Watson's own legacy became inseparable from the damage caused by his prejudiced views about race and gender. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.